happening with the balloon?
There's a lady that has won a balloon or bought a massive
On the
balloon
boat to the mall,
and has
by
taken
the
it
way.
on the boat from a mall and now cannot move it off of the boat, so it is stuck.
There's literally no way that this will happen.
They're opening the emergency door for
I think
her.
they've called the journalist.
The biggest balloon I've ever seen in my life.
There's no roof.
How'd she get it on?
They're letting the air out?
This is hysterical. The boat's gonna be late because of this massive balloon.
They're testing.
Oh, it made it.
Oh, good
They
job.
got it out.
It's made it outside, but on the wrong side.
You're just gonna throw in the water and see what happens.
No, I think it would
It's
float up
actually a
into
balloon.
the...
There's a small balloon.
Oh.
Maybe they're giving away a
He
balloon.
has popped the balloon.
He popped it? Oh. How did you get it on there? Here they come.